There's loads of room in here. Hello, I'm Rick Bullemere, and today we're mostly driving the BMW iX3. So we're just going to give you a whistle-stop tour of the car, what it can do, and also why this might be an issue for anyone that speaks with their hands when they're driving. Huh? This is not a ground-up electric vehicle, it's a convert. This does have one major advantage, it's all electric. So we parked under some pylons, but it turns out you can't charge like this. You do need a plug socket, but this is the iX3, it is electric. Let's have a look around. BMW, as we all know, is German for a race car. So let's have a little look around the car, see what sort of stands out. The grille is a little bit more understated than the iX, which is the ground up electric version. We've got little vents here for aerodynamics. Got nice little blue bits which signify that it is an electric car. Let's have a look inside. Premium finish, very nice. One thing I don't understand is why BMW haven't made more use of the Frunk or the Froot. I think I could probably, with this BMW iX3 and the infotainment unit, there's not one, not two, but three ways that you can turn the volume up on the radio. You've got a normal knob, you've got the buttons on the steering wheel, or you can use your finger.
Festival in Spain. It's almost as if they definitely left Spain.
Huh? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Ah.
Boot size is also very good, although at 510 litres it's 40 litres down on the X3, slightly bigger than the Mercedes EQC but slightly smaller than the Audi Q4 e-tron. The rear seats fold down in a 40-20-40 split for extra boot space if you need it. For most drivers, the iX3 will have plenty of power. The 386 horsepower figure sounds impressive, but factor the relatively heavy weight of the car compared to a petrol or diesel model and it makes for brisk rather than scintillating acceleration. 0 to 62 takes 6.8 seconds, so it's no slouch. Handling wise, it treads an excellent line between comfort and agility. Having heavy batteries in the chassis means that you benefit from a low centre of gravity. The iX3 uses a 73.8 kilowatt battery, which gives it a range of up to 285 miles on a single charge. That's not a bad benchmark, and it's more than the Audi e-tron and the Mercedes-Benz EQC. You can charge your BMW iX3 at home using a wall box or a public charger with the capacity to charge it up to 150 kilowatts. Using a rapid charger will fill it from 10% to 80% in just 27 minutes. Who's the car best suited for? Well, BMW fans, someone looking to make the switch to electric, someone looking for a well-rounded, high-performance sports activity vehicle. Would I have this over the Tesla Model Y? Nope, I wouldn't, but I thoroughly enjoyed my Beamer experience this week. To check out our other EV reviews, hit the subscribe button on the Select Car Leasing YouTube and follow, like, high five, etc. on all the other socials. And if you've got a question, comment below.